I request and I appeal to Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya also to write a letter to the Honorable Prime Minister and oppose the electricity amendment bill, and the bill should not be rushed through in the parliament without having a proper debate with all the stakeholders, particularly with the electricity consumers and electricity employees.
Chairman ko All India Power Engineers Federation, Shillong Radube, ula kentui Menteri Rang Bak Kejela Conrad Pynsangeh, baun Kyrpad Menteri Rang Bak Du Kari, badampat ra ke Electricity Amendment Bill arjar RPR, ha Parliament klaim daya selok lang Shuwa bat ki engineer ke Tnad Bording. Yakane, Chairman ka Federation ula kran haka General Conference kaba khatsau jaka MEECL Engineer Association, kabalong haka RPR tarik unaitung ha Pinewood Hotel Shillong. Katkum ka jingong jungu ki badan benta hakmat haka Tnad Bording de ki pat ba nong pendan kambat ki nong tray ka Tnad Bording.
Few days before the starting of the monsoon session of Parliament, that electricity amendment bill 2022 will be placed before the Parliament. Although in the list of the bills to be placed before the Parliament, electricity amendment bill 2022 is not listed there, but we are opposing it, and in that reference, this conference of the Meghalaya Energy Corporation Power Engineers Association was very important. Why we are opposing electricity amendment bill 2022? Because the bill is providing the path for it is paving the path for the privatization of the power sector. And after the privatization of the power sector, subsidies and cross subsidies will go in one go. What is the meaning of subsidy? When we are supplying electricity to the poor consumers, to the farmers, to below poverty line consumers, even to the domestic consumers, having consumption of 300-400 units per month, that is a subsidy. And when subsidy will go, nobody will get the electricity below rupees 10 to rupees 12 per unit. And the electricity will be unaffordable for the farmers, for the common man, which is very dangerous. Then electricity is on the concurrent list of the constitution. That means central government as well as state government both have the equal right to make the law. But central government is unilaterally forming the law and which is breaking the spirit of the federalism and imposing the laws of the privatization on the states, and in the name of financial help, arm twisting is also going on there. So this is one of the very important points, that private discoms will be using the network of the existing discom of the government department, and government department has spent hundreds of thousands of crores of rupees on the erection of the network, and every day we are spending hundreds of crores in the operation and maintenance of the network, and government company without spending a single penny will be simply minting the money through this network. So we are opposing electricity amendment bill in the larger interest of the state, in the larger interest of the consumers, and in the larger interest of the power employees. And through this press conference, through media, I would like to appeal Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya that Meghalaya government, like other governments of the country, should also have written a letter to all the chief ministers to oppose the electricity amendment bill. And since I am here in Shillong, so very respectfully, I request and I appeal to Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya also to write a letter to the Honorable Prime Minister and oppose the electricity amendment bill, and the bill should not be rushed through in the parliament without having a proper debate with all the stakeholders, particularly with the electricity consumers and electricity employees.
Is going to be passed by Parliament, so the impact will be unilateral, will be across pan-India. So whatever impact is going to have in mainland India, the same impact will be here also. So basically, like he had, Shillong GC has already said that mainly this is going to impact the consumers, and of course it is also going to impact the prospect of the discounts.